Hello, good morning kids. How are you today? I hope everyone is okay. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go.
Mr. Alligator can chomp, he can swim and he can stomp. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater. Yeah. This is number 15. This is number 12. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Let's chomp, 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 chomp. This is number 18. This is number 20. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Come on, chomp, 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 chomp. Yeah. This is number 11. This is number 10. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Yeah, chomp, 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 chomp. Mr. Alligator can chomp, he can swim and he can stomp. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater. This is number 25. This is number 29. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Yeah, chomp, 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 chomp. This is number 48. This is number 38. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. You can do it. Chomp, 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 chomp. Yeah. This is number 99. This is number 100. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Yeah. Chomp, 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 chomp. Alright. Mr. Alligator can chomp, he can swim and he can stomp. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater. Yeah. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater. Yeah, chomp, chomp.
And now, here's our lesson for today. First, comparing numbers. Second, ordering numbers. Kids, anyone knows our topic for today? Let's see. Are you ready? Please open your book on page 10. Our first lesson is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers, you must know about the 3 signs to use in comparing numbers. Here we go. First, second, and third. First is greater than, second is less than, and the last is equal to. Now, let's try to compare. Here's the example. The first number is 1,234 and 1,924. And now, what is the correct answer? Greater than, less than, or equal to? What do you think? It's less than. Yes. Next. First number is 7,334. Second, 2,729. What is the correct answer? Greater than, less than, or equal to? It's greater than. Correct. Now, and the last number is 234 and 234. It looks familiar. What is the correct answer? Greater than, less than, or equal? It's equal. Kids, do you understand? Reminder. Let's read together. When given two numbers, first compare the number of digits in the two numbers. The number that has more digits is greater than the other. Example number 1. Which number is greater? A or B? But before we answer, look at this. Let's read. Firstly, compare the number of digits in the two given numbers. Now, let's start to compare. First number, 3,892 is a 4-digit number. Second number, 16,028 is a 5-digit number. So as you can see in the picture, letter A is 4 digits, letter B is 5 digits. B has more digits than A, right? So 16,028 is greater than 3,892. Is that clear, kids? I hope you understand. Next, example number 2. It says, which number is smaller, the UFO or the airplane? Look at this. Let's read again. Both numbers have the same number of digits. So, compare the digits in the leftmost place value. That is the thousands. So as you can see this, the leftmost numbers are both number 6. Look, that is the thousands place. Look. So we cross out them because it's the same. Then compare the digit in the hundreds place. So this is the 100 place. So as you can see, the numbers in hundreds place, it's not the same. 3 and 4. Then we can start to answer. 3 is less than 4. Or we can say it, 6,305 is smaller than 6,450. Kids, do you understand? I think yes. And our next lesson is ordering numbers. So please open your book on page 12. Let's understand this with the help of examples. Let's read. The ascending order has numbers arranged from the smallest to the greatest. As you can see here, from the smallest to the greatest. And the descending order has numbers arranged from the greatest to the smallest. As you can see this, greatest to smallest. In short, ascending order is from small to big. And descending order is from big to small. Kids, is that clear? Now let's do another examples. Ascending order. Remember, ascending means from small to big. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, 2, 5, 7, and 12. It's from small to big. Okay. Example number 2. 16, 23, 37, and 100. As you can see, small to big. Do you understand? Yes. Next is descending order. Remember, from big to small. Example number 1, 10, 9, 8, and 3. As you can see, from big to small. Next, number 2, 39, 5, 4, and 2. As you can see, from big to small. Do you understand, kids? It's easy, right? Yes. And now, let's answer your book on page number 11. Are you ready? Let's do this. Letter I says, check the greater number. Question number 1. Which number is greater? 4,392 or 14,392? What do you think is the greater number? It's 14,392. Kids, do you understand? And now, answer the question number 2 by yourself. Okay? Next, letter J says, cross the smaller number. Smaller number. Question number 1. Which is smaller? 1020 or 1002? What do you think? It's 1002. Yes. And now, question number 2 and number 3, do it by yourself. Understand? Okay. Next, letter K. Let's read. Fill in its blank with greater than, less than, or equal. Here's the question. And now let's answer together question number 1. What do you think is the answer here? Greater than, less than, or equal? It's less than. Yes, it's correct. And now, the rest question, do it by yourself. Is that clear? Next, on page number 13, letter L, it says, arrange the numbers in stated order. First, write the numbers in ascending order. Remember, ascending order is from small to big. Okay? Here's the question. Please do it by yourself. Next, write the number in descending order. Descending order is from big to small. Here's the question. Please do it by yourself. Okay? Kids, any questions regarding to our lesson for today? If you have, please watch again the video. Is that clear? So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.